Welcome to our training on cleaning up small chemical spills. Introduction. Spills in the workplace are almost inevitable. Because of the range and quantity of substances used in laboratories and other work areas, pre-planning is needed to respond safely to chemical spills. Spills should be cleaned up only by knowledgeable and experienced staff. That's the purpose of this training, to give you the information you need to handle small chemical spills in your workplace. After completing this training, you will be able to define a small chemical spill, explain how to prepare for and respond to a small chemical spill, list what should be included in a spill kit, explain how to clean up a small chemical spill, specify precautions to take if a chemical spill is large or involves hazardous materials, describe what to do if someone becomes contaminated during spill cleanup,